Alright, here's box number 2. Alright, I found out who got some of those hits. Debbie got the Javon Ringer. GWD Jr. got both Dolphin autos. Fight On got the Hornung, I believe, and the Straughter. So hopefully this box is a lot better. Alright, pack 1. Marshall, Hasselbeck, right off the bat. Cornelius Ingram auto to the Eagles. I think that may be AJP. Who has that? Ishmanzada. Oh, second auto. Right off the bat to the Titans. Deb Graham again. Dominique Edison. Ugh, 2 crappy autos. Oh, man. Come on. Alright. SIM card is last break. Aracapo, Malcolm Jennings. Dual card. That'll be raffled off. I'll just give like one of each to each of it. Whoever has it. Six cards right here. I'm keeping them neat this time. Fuerte, Santonio Holmes, third auto. Kevin Ogletree. Not sure who has him. Alright, that's 3 hits already in the box. And I have like 20 more packs to go. And that means the on-card auto is left. So, alright. Reggie Wayne, Tim Hightower. Rams, Jason Smith, James Laurinaitis, rookie. Insert. I haven't gotten anything except for an insert card. Drew Brees. Auto. Pittsburgh Steelers, Franco Harris auto. Not mine. I think that goes to Deb Graham again. She's doing really good in this break. It's like 4 autos for her. She bought 3 spots though. Well, since the Hornung book 30, that's going to probably book 30. Gonzo, Clinton Portis, Derek Williams, Brendan Tate round numbers. Way to put 2 scrubs on the card. Flipping the on-card auto is the last card. In the last pack. Randy Moss. Vontae Davis. Insert. Rookie roll call. Still no playoff ticket either. Brett Favre, base again, that book's $10. Hello home. Bobby Bell, Legendary Contenders number 200. Never heard of him. Looks like it's going to be a lineman. Defense. Alright. Zach Miller. Here it is. No. All base. Hasselbeck, Reggie Wayne, Chris Collinsworth, Bengals wide receiver. Oh yeah, he does do that. Greg Olson, McNabb, Henny, Roethlisberger. LeSean McCoy, rookie roll call, not numbered. Jim McMahon, Legendary Contenders, not numbered. His last auto. Base. They're really going to put it down to the last packs. Yep. Aaron Curry, rookie roll call again. Got the same one last break. No short print autos, which shocking. Kevin Smith, Dan Fouts, legendary contenders, not numbered. Not as many. They don't really have any numbered inserts this year. Really, they got rid of them all. I think it's here. Yeah, that's the last hit in there. Save it for last. I think I saw what team it was on though. Alright. Base. Draft class Cushing Casey card. Not numbered. I know the normal Cushing auto is short printed. Books 125. Oh! Redemption. That's an extra hit. Alright, I'm not going to see who that is yet. Please be Michael Orr. 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 Please, I have the Ravens. Alright. Vontae Davis, Clay Matthews. Round numbers. Oh, man. Well, it could be a Percy Harvin. It could be a Lois Murphy. It could be Michael Orr. It could be Ryan Mouton. Those are some of the short prints. Speaking of Murphy, Darius Bay. Murphy, insert, not numbered. Alright. Let me get a checklist ready. And the auto that we have here is not auto. It's a playoff ticket. Terrell Owens, number to 99. There's that one. Alright, and the moment we're waiting for. 122. Glenn Coffey, 49ers. That ain't that bad. He's seen some playing time this year. Alright, that wraps up break number 2. Alright guys, take care.